has something here?
We've been waiting for our half-hour time limit. And I present this to the tribal council that is here, Terry Tibbetts, Irene Oganosh, and Bud Heisler. I think we're...
Where's all the white guys going?
Let them go, we don't need them anyway.
No, they're not part of the tribe.
Erma has to go anyway.
No, you can't,
She can't.
no.
Let her go.
Come on,
Let her go.
let me go. Let me go.
Petition, Erma, you gotta accept that.
No, she doesn't.
No,
They have.
Not her.
we submit it to this council. Erma is null and void regarding this until the time of the hearing. And today, we present, this new petition we have is the same petition that we submitted out, but with more evidence now. We do have evidence of enrollments that weren't to be enrolled. They will come out in the hearing. This petition now has 570 signatures of the people, which is more than enough for removal of Erma Visner under the Constitution of the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe, recall, election votes.
Okay, I'm going to accept it on behalf of the RTC, but before this, we have a timeline that this goes into effect, and it doesn't go into effect until the full body of the RTC receives it.
We have a form right here, we have 3 members.
But we have one member missing, and it says a full RTC has to receive it.
You guys do everything else on a quorum. Why can't you do this?
We are the one that's accepted.
But that doesn't say that under any place. You have to have a full member, all of members here.
There's
Three has
for the,
to accept.
You can accept it by yourself.
Yeah.
And plus,
Yeah.
we're sending the old one to the DIA with a copy of this one, so that it
We'll
will be
have-
retroactive.
This one's on its way to the Bureau.
So you guys got it.
This
So
just
act on
amends
this
the
one.
first one.
This is the amendment to the first one that was denied for refusal for accepting the signatures of some members that signed for fear they could not be recognized with their signatures.
Then all the numbers of those people that are in prison too, this guy went and took the list away from that woman there that was doing it.
Well, you guys can get that list.
These are all on reservation
No, those should be
signatures.
taken off.
Anytime it comes down to a recall or a removal,
Goddamn
it has
white
to be
guy.
only on reservation signatures. Every signature on these petitions of 570 are enrolled members living on the reservation, not within the borders, on the reservation.
You didn't have no right to take that list away from that woman there.
And not the kind of Indians that you claim are sitting here,
He's detrimental to us.
To really look at it so that the members' civil rights, our inherent rights, our sovereignty rights are upheld. By refusing to acknowledge these from the people that are requesting this, we also have petitions that can be ready and signed with, 570 signatures on those, or from each district that would show the 20%.
also, we can also file compensation of the wrongdoing here in the last,
That, even though a lot of people claim the IRA is not in effect for us, the IRA is still in effect for us because we've never had a referendum vote under the MCT Constitution. It would take all 6 reservations to pull the IRA. Under the IRA, you might want to check with your lawyers under Article 15. You're not immune. You can be held liable as an individual by the people.
Yeah. And one of you guys will be here in 2 days.
And why hasn't charges been filed against Bugger and Erma, but you're the financial officer of the tribe, them guys are stealing. And Erma, those checks that she wrote, that's just like stealing. Those charges should have been brought against her and also Bugger.
well, he probably got half of it. He's smart, you don't want his signature on anything. Oh, yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
Well, the thing is, those
I
charges
think
should be brought,
we
that's
would
what I'm
like to
saying.
have you really
Like
look
the
at
dad
these
used to
charges
take rent
seriously
for, those
for the
rehabs
people
and-
on the reservation because we have so many
Everybody else
financial
did.
problems going on. Right now, we have violations of our civil rights, we have violations of our tribal courts, violations of the police department that are not legal entities on this reservation. I understand the tort laws and how they're used.
And we also have extortion of $100 of everybody that goes to the tribal court.
Everybody else that's stealing is gonna have
Because
to
it's
pay.
not authorized by the people.
I have submitted paperwork into the tribal court, Terry Tibbetts, you know this, that questioned the legality of the tribal court. Tribal court then had to answer back they had no legality and dismiss my case. So there are legal entities out there that can show you guys where you're assuming that position, but you really don't have that ability to assume it.
Did we get an answer on why them people that get brought up on charges, Erma and Butter?
We won't get that answer until we're out from the hearing. All we're here to do right now is to submit this so it's accepted. Bugger is signing the, I mean.
Same difference.
My bad.
Ain't no better or any worse.
Not as blatant.
Yeah, he's just not as blatant.
But, yeah, it's being signed right now, witnessed in front of all of us. And it is accepted.
But we'd like to make a request, like when, if you guys go over these names, we wanna have 5 of our people in there, and Robert Durant kinda agreed with us. That it would be fair to all of us.
At least the people that carry these petitions, so they can talk for themselves.
Signature, the petition signature carriers are the ones to be in there for the count.
So no matter what I say today, it'll be moot, because I'm all done on it.
They're not gonna be able to remove this, are they?
So can you hook us up with lunch today? Before you're gone? Call the casino.
Have a potluck for us.
I'll be in business, I'll do that.
But we all need a potluck there.
Yeah, but not, He's done in June, but not, it's not done
They
for
go until-
compensation, you know.
Yeah, but
That's
actually
coming.
also the swearing isn't until June or July 13th.
Yeah.
And that'll be about the timeline of our petition. So we also ask you to recognize that. By the time our petition comes through, you guys will be going into your next quarterly TC meeting.
Yeah.
So our answer will be coming at the same time as your TC meeting. I believe it was told to us from the TC, we need to handle this internally over here on White Earth.
Yeah.
They did not want to keep seeing our.
So if we gotta march them out of here, that's what we'll have to do.
I think these terms should be accepted, 2 terms for each child council member too. I think you guys
At least the
think about
secretary
that. To
treasurer.
keep the child in check.
And I think the ones who are wearing illegal hats under our constitution should be put in prison.
Yes.
Oh, Anita might go gay and enjoy herself.
Most likely.
Anybody that's blatantly ripping off, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Why,
You gotta
most
go,
certainly,
man.
I don't care about the money, just as long as them confused, zombies get out of here.
You mean those confused tourists?
You know, if they think they can make it in the white world, let them go. Let them go then, if they're so smart here. You know, let them go.
You guys go cook the books for the mob.
Yeah,
Should they win last long with Duke?
yeah, because we're tired of people playing Indian around here from gate to floor.
This is one of the main ones right here.
All the rest of us are all up there suffering and trying to scrape to make things around here. There should be
Yeah, I
no
couldn't
state
even get
laws
my
here
lawn.
preventing us from being
A
self-sufficient.
majority of these signatures are gonna be coming from
Salaries are
people
totally-
only, and the bitch that they have will be straight out. You're enrolling people that should not be enrolled on our reservation when our own children can't get enrolled.
Yeah.
We've got people, they're signing away agreements where it's infringing upon our inherent rights. And there is nobody in the United States, not even the government, can step in and infringe upon my inherent right.
And if your children wanna go white, let them go.
The thing is, we're being denied at the clinic down there. All the green cards are being served, and the Indian people sitting there with infected teeth, gotta sit there
Okay,
all
Harley
day.
and Queenie, I got 31 pages here. You want a copy?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am?
yes, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
One who should be gone today is this guy.
That's right. Got here. Fired this guy right
Guys,
today.
let them put the siding in my house first.
Crooked as the rest of them.
What's the?
What do they do with them names, Ron? What do they do with those names you took?
CIA official.
Yeah, that's what I wanna know.
Who the hell are you?
Can't even answer that. Looking at the table.
Don't give a
the
shit
whole
who he
goddamn
is.
time.
Got no business taking those names away. That was.
Just for that alone, he should be marched out of here.
You didn't say, huh?
He won't
Oh,
say.
he won't tell us
Looked
why
at
he
the
took
table the
it.
whole meeting.
Irma told him, I suppose.
One looked at no one.
She ain't got no business interfering in his petition, neither does he.
Can you answer him, sir, where that went?
have you sold your own?